Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So today in this video, we'll check out that update. So this is a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy Store app. So to update it, you just have to simply tap on your Galaxy Store. As you can see, I have this Galaxy Store app over here. After tapping in, you will get to see a new update available. This is a new update available with a version of 4.5.88.5. To update it, simply tap on update and the update will begin. And talking about the update size, so this is a 41.25 MBs of update. After downloading, it will automatically close and you will have to reopen your Galaxy Store app. And once the download is done, as you can see, the app is now closed and I will have to re-tap on the Galaxy Store app. Now after opening the app after update, you will get to see this new option of improved your ads experience with the personalized ads. So you can accept it or reject it, it is on to you. After that, you will get to see a new option of play games without waiting for installs. This is a new icon available over here. After tapping on it, you can play instant games. There are multiple games to choose from that you can play instantly without installing them. As you can see, it is known as Instant Plays Beta version. Now I will play a game and I will show you that how you can play any game from here. For example, now I will play this random game over here. And the best part is that there is no lag in this game. You can play this game without even installing it on your device. As you can see, all the animations are really good with this app. Also, if you want to play the next game, so you can also do that directly from here by simply tapping on this next option. You just have to simply swipe up. Now the name of the next game is present on the top. You can play it by simply tapping on play now. So do check it out. Also, if you will go to the menu and then click on updates, so you will get to see that there are some new app updates also available. First up, we have this new app update available of nearby device scanning. Next, we have this Samsung checkout. Then we have this pen up. Talking about what's new, so a new brush is added as a drawing tool in the pen up, and nearby device scanning is now supporting quick pair pop-up for the new devices. To update them all, you just have to simply tap on update all and all of these apps will be updated. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new Galaxy Store app update available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Do check out that instant play games feature and let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your device or not yet. Also, if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new updates.